Jordy, stop it. Right, we just took off. We just took off and now we're flying into Disney World. Oh my god, turbulence. Is that what it's called? I think we're fine.
My computer's too big. Where's it staying? Can't fit it on mine.
We're best friends.
Okay, come on. We're all airplane buds. We're airplane buds.
Stop. Everybody make a funny face.
Okay, you can't say you're talking about them, but I'm gonna, okay?
Hey Jordy, did you see that clown at the gas station that hides from gay people?
No.
Exactly.
Oh. My fingers are up Jordy's nose.
I'm not okay with that.
So yeah, we're on a plane right now. So what are you doing, Jordy?
Masturbating on a plane.
That's illegal.
It's frowned upon.
Our stretches are also different. Who said that? What? Who said that?
Jordy!
I hope I never hear that
Jordy.
again.
Have Jordy spit.
Jordy, ew, I have Jordy spit on me.
Got it.
It's really weird that you can make her make those noises.
Yeah.
I hate the West Bank. Trash is coming.
It is?
Jesse, jump in. I love you, Jesse. I love you, Jesse.
Oh, trash. You gave it to him?
Yeah. Jesse, it's
Jesse,
not big enough
go.
for you.
Get in.
Not funny.
What do you have in your mouth?
Jordy's mom has got it going on.
Jesse's sister has got it going.
I don't have a sister.
That you know of. Wait, what were we? Oh yeah, the Power Rangers, right? Alright, we're
Yeah.
done.
What did we say though? Power Rangers unite! 1, 2, 3, unite! Deuces. Alright, so see y'all later. Get in, guys, for a farewell goodbye.
Bye.
Jordy, that was lame.
Bye.
I blew my kiss.
Bye, my ears just popped again. Bye.